Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android head unit for Hyundai Elantra 2014 to 2015 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. It's with high resolution IPS touchscreen. Resolution is 12:8 and 720. Okay, you can check this original USB, this original power plug for Hyundai Kia model, and this supports original camera. You can check this camera and camera input, the original camera. Okay. You can choose the logo, you can choose time. Live check, you can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Let me choose the Belsee logo. We'll back to home. Change the logo with Belsee. Okay, you can change this theme color. Any color you can adjust on this panel. Okay. Let me already connect Wi-Fi and show Wi-Fi. Check the Google. Put our website belsee.com, Belsee. Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, this is our website. Okay. Let me show it is so let me check. Show the YouTube. It can play YouTube video. Okay, you can watch the video. Okay. Let me check its built-in navigation. It's built-in Google Maps. Let me check. You can search. Okay, you can search New York. It will show the New York very fast response. Okay. Let me introduce music. You can check there is two USB cable on the back. This USB driver. Let me connect. It will play music automatically. Okay, it's play music, it's volume. Okay, it supports running Google navigation and music at the same time. Okay. And let me check the video. Okay, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check this pin number. Let me open my phone. Enable Bluetooth. When you click search, it shows the Galaxy S8. Click pair. Your phone will get the command. Put the 40. Click OK. Okay, it's connected. Very fast response. You can make phone call. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Volume. Okay, you can check this MCU variant, CPU Octa core, its memory size 4 GB, its PX5, Android version is Android Pie 9 system. Okay. Its storage, it's ROM 64 GB. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Thank you.